Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark 4.6.6 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Wireshark official website, that is wireshark.org. See, it is the world's leading network protocol analyzer. Okay, now click on download now. See, this is the old stable release and the latest stable release is 4.6.6. Now click on this Ubuntu. Now we have to run these commands. It is going to add PPA to my machine. So copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, hit enter. Hit enter for continue. It is done. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. It is done. Now install Wireshark, sudo apt install Wireshark. See, we are installing Wireshark and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Select yes to capture packets by non-super users. We have successfully installed. Now verify. See, we have installed Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, we got the Wireshark. See, we got the Wireshark. Okay. Now click on this capture to capture the packets. Okay, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark 4.6.6 on Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.